I'm so sorry, okay? Maybe if we just do that, then we'll be okay. Okay, I just covered her up, so hopefully that works. Otherwise, we're gonna have to figure something else out because she looks super comfy right now. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is where we chat about all the things that just make me so happy, which is like guns and knives and, you know, whatever else comes up. I can't figure out a better name or like a better like catchphrase or tagline or whatever it is because it changes. It's not just EDC and concealed carry. It's like all the things. So it's just guns and stuff, except there's a channel that's already called Guns and Stuff, so I can't steal that. Anywho, we have a package to open today and kind of go over. Let's just say your girl is very susceptible to purchasing things off of targeted ads. I had slept on this targeted ad for months. Let's see how this baby works and if I love it as much as I think I'm going to. Yay! Okay, so I don't know if you all are familiar with the Stopboxes. Are they put together like a bundle deal where you get the Stopbox and you get the chamber lock for the AR-15? So I got both. I got this one in red and I got the Stopbox in OD green because obviously, if you all don't know me by now, you know whatever I purchase, if there is an OD green option, I physically cannot not buy the OD green option. So let's look at this baby. All right, we've got README. Code unlock is unique and with some practice you'll be able to operate it fluidly. Take the time to learn and understand before use. Please read all the warning and safety precautions located in the instruction manual. I'm not going to do that with you here because that is boring. Okay, so this is it. It's literally just a box. And the best part about this is it is very low tech. Like there is nothing that could malfunction on it. You have to put in your own code thing so that you will grab it in a very specific way, under stress, mind you. So pick something that's semi-easy for you, and it should just pop right open. So right now it's not popping open because I don't know what I'm doing. So apparently I do have to read the manual, but I want to open this one. This has got a nice weight to it. I like that. I figure this has like you can see it pretty easily. That's what it looks like. Again, same like 5-button system that you're supposed to grab and 4. I guess it's 4 buttons. This is like the opening button. Again, no idea what the hell I'm doing, so we'll figure it out. So unlocking like originally out of the box, index your hand on the corner of the enclosure and align your fingers with the 5 accutators. Is that a word? Press and hold the pinky and index finger actuators. That doesn't sound right either. Simultaneously. Pinning the Stopbox down with your palm will keep it from moving. While applying downward pressure on the enclosure, press the thumb lock and lift open. So press and hold the pinky and index finger together. And then, oh, I got it. Okay. So that's what it was just an ad. That's what the inside looks like. It's padded. I brought out the largest handgun I have, which is the 5-inch 1911. So we're gonna try that in there, see what it looks like. I'm gonna reset this later as I actually read the manual, but we're just gonna go forth with the code thing that was already given to me when I opened the box. So let's see if a 1911 fits inside there. Okay, we do. It's a little tight. It's a little bit tight, so do with that what you will. And we're gonna do that. So there she is. She matches. Isn't that perfect? So as you can see, full size 1911, little tight there. But this is the biggest handgun that I own, and it does fit, and I could still put a magazine in there as well. So that's cool. Stop barking. I lost the instructions to, oh no I didn't, I lied. Okay, do something though. Whatever it is, do something. Run along. Read some books. Alright, let's figure out this bad boy. The Stopbox AR-15 chamber lock is a portable rapid access retention device that does not use batteries, electronics, or external keys. The Stopbox finger code lock is instinctive to use in the dark and under stress. Secure your firearm without sacrificing accessibility when you need it the most. To lock the Stopbox AR-15 chamber lock, index your palm on the back of the handle and align your fingers with the 5 actuators. Press and hold the pinky and index fingers simultaneously and press the thumb. Okay. That is definitely not something I can do under stress. While depressing, insert the chamber lock into the chamber of the AR-15 with the bolt locked to the rear. Okay. We got the AR-15 here. So, bolt is locked to the rear. And we are going to do that, which hurts a little bit. And then this goes in there. Oh. Okay. Alright. I can see how you could, okay, that's that. So there you have it. Does not come off. Can't press the trigger. Chamber is secure. And then to just undo it, you do that. God help me, I hope I'm doing this right. Okay, there we go. Ready? Pick it up. Do it like the video. Okay, ready? Pick it up. Ready to go. Except this isn't even. I know what I'm doing, I swear. Very cool. Oh, I love it. I am gonna switch over, obviously, the code, but I love it. That was a lot. If you made it all the way through that video, thumbs up to you, my friend, because it was quite a lot. Anywho, I also wanted to give you guys some exciting news because Stopbox and I are doing a giveaway, which I am so excited for. They are so generous. They are offering a Stopbox to one of my followers. So all you have to do is just subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and then tag 2 friends down in the comments that you think would want to enter as well because, you know, maybe they will win and then maybe they'll give it to you because they're nice friends like that. The giveaway will be going from today, which is Wednesday, Wednesday, December 29th to Sunday, January 2nd. I would do the first because it sounds a little bit cooler, but unfortunately I will not be around to announce that winner because I will be hunting and have no access to the internet. So, giveaway winner will be announced on January 2nd on this channel. Down in the comments below. And also you get to pick any color you'd like, which is super exciting because you can get OD green like me. Can't wait to see you guys on the next one. Stay safe out there. Bye guys.